The Redmi Note 15 series is stirring up excitement among tech enthusiasts, with early leaks suggesting a bold step forward in both design and hardware. One of the most notable upgrades is the shift to a sleek metal frame, giving the device a more premium and durable build compared to the plastic frames typically seen in mid-range phones. This move signals Redmi's intent to blur the line between budget and flagship aesthetics. On the performance front, the Redmi Note 15 Pro is rumored to come equipped with an astonishing 300MP camera, a feature that could redefine photography standards in its price range. This would make it a standout choice for mobile photography lovers seeking high-end features without breaking the bank. Alongside the camera, a massive 7,200 mAh battery is also expected, promising long-lasting usage ideal for gamers, content consumers, and power users. 5G support is likely to be standard across the lineup, ensuring fast and reliable connectivity. If these leaks hold true, the Redmi Note 15 series could deliver a major shakeup in the mid-range market, combining cutting-edge features with the brand's reputation for affordability. Fans are eagerly awaiting official confirmation, as this could easily become one of the most competitive releases of the year.